What's up, everyone? I'm Dr. Justin with the Chiro Health team, and today I want to dive into another easy snack substitution for you, just because you don't have to substitute nutrition or health benefits just for the sake of convenience. I know that is something we all fall into very frequently, but last time I covered those just little fruit cups that you can get, and today I'm going to cover something pretty similar, but they can fit right in your pocket. I don't think you should put too many dates in your pocket though. However, they make a great snack. They are super nutrient dense and they are extremely high in fiber, good for our gut health. And it actually has been shown, I'll attach some research below, that regularly consuming dates can actually lower your blood sugar and help your overall lipid. When it does come to nutrition, right, it is just one piece of each of our health puzzles. And sometimes when things are out of whack and you might not be eating as well, moving right, or you're higher stress, that can lead to a negative impact on the body and manifest in aches and pains. And if that's something you are experiencing or you want help with more nutrition parts specifically, don't hesitate to reach out, because for just a $69 donation to the local charity of the month, you can sit down with myself, one of the other doctors on our team, and we'll take you through a full detailed assessment to get you any of those answers you're looking for and get your health journey back on track. Thanks, and chat soon.